Or you're gonna get.
You ain't beat. You beat what? Rerun it. Rerun it. I just woke up.
Let's go.
I made a threat. Okay, guys, don't scare me.
Oh my!
Yeah. This was really
back,
tight. No, the left one's really tight. You just a smidge,
It's not really tight.
It's hurting when I move.
Alright, come on.
That's because y'all not the ones in it. Alright! Fucking pull me. Pull me slowly. Oh my god! Ow! Ow, my arm! My arm! Bro, get off! Get off! Y'all is hurting me! Ah!
Police arrived at an apartment in Akron, Ohio to investigate a domestic violence report. Upon arrival, officers found a young man named Javion outside the building, but the situation quickly escalated when the female suspect, Taishisha, 29, emerged from inside. Taishisha was visibly hysterical, immediately beginning to deny everything and showing her injuries to the officer.
Ever. Like,
12 to 23. I'm
he doesn't care.
I can't find section 3. I'm still looking.
So I tried to grab him to calm down. When I grabbed him, he swung me. And now I'm busted behind my fucking ears.
Can I see?
I think it dried up, but yeah.
Where it was bleeding?
Yeah.
Okay. Did it like rip your earring or something?
I don't know. It was bleeding. Oh, I felt blood dripping down from the ears. I just grabbed a cotton ball, swiped that shit up.
Okay, so how did this all start?
I don't know. I
woke up and he was just kind of mouthing off and...
He was mouthing off with my grandma, and I don't play about my grandma.
Okay.
Yeah, she didn't come in here, and she's seen it from one room for... I'm just tired.
Okay,
I'm in my own place back.
Hey, Taisha, just stay over here with me. 'Cause like I said, I want to keep an eye on my officer just in case he starts...
Police being here is a fucking violation of my leasing.
Well, I mean, if you were a victim here, then,
you know. I don't care.
Can you hold this, please, so I can keep an eye on it?
I just haven't move around.
Okay, so you woke up, he was mouthing off at your grandma, you said? And then, so what made you grab him? How did this turn physical? Taisha, can you talk to me? He's talking to him, I'm talking to you.
What are you saying?
Have you been drinking or anything?
No. You been breathalyzing me.
You don't have breathalyzers. Okay. Do you want EMS to come check you out?
No, I want to go to bed because my feelings are hurt. I just want to go to bed.
Well, Taisha, for me to fully understand the situation, I need you to kind of break it down for me.
Javion's grandmother, who suffers from mobility issues, appears and confirms Taisha's account of the argument, noting that Taisha was also verbally attacking her. The grandmother confirms Javion had been causing trouble, but describes him as a good kid who does not deserve to be arrested.
Throwing up at me, I'm like, oh, you want to do this shit like we grown? Like, we about to do it like we grown. I ain't about to do nothing but put him in a few headlights, wrap him up, make his ass set up. I've done this really once.
That's what happened today? You guys were kind of wrestling and put him in a headlock?
Yeah, I was trying to put him in a headlock, but he wanted a street fight. I'm trying to calm him down. He wanted a street fight. I just want you to calm the fuck down. I just want you to calm the fuck down. That's it. That's all.
Copy, thank you.
Like, it could have never even went that deep. You could got your fair ones in. Call it that.
How long has he been living here with you?
Couple months.
Couple
Section
months.
6.
Yeah.
Better.
Yeah, but she started with me. All this started over, it started with me. Okay? Because
Are you grandma?
I'm Nana.
Okay.
Okay?
Why are you coming out here?
The reason I come out here is because I wanted her to know the
Just
truth.
thanks for everybody getting kicked me out of my...
I am not.
Everybody out here, the police, all that shit. They don't take that shit lightly,
I
man.
already know that, and I tried to tell you that when you were doing all that shit.
I wasn't doing shit.
Yes, you were.
Okay,
You
well,
were.
hey, let's please.
We're
Yeah.
talking.
I
We're
understand,
talking.
but you guys are yelling at each other.
That's how we
I don't-
talk. We're Southerners.
I don't like to yell, but the point is sometimes you get a little in it to make her listen.
Okay, Taisha, can
I
we?
need some air. Okay.
After the officer witnesses Taisha throwing the bottle, he goes out to inform Javion that he can leave, but Taisha blocks the door and acts with increasing aggression toward the officers and Javion.
Your middle finger up at him.
Don't say some shit about me. You ain't heard from me.
Can you come in here, Taisha?
No, because I'm hot. My
Listen,
blood is boiling right now. I just woke up. I'm tired mentally, physically, emotionally, especially because I'm dealing with this little ass, crumb ass. He's put me through the most hell from the whole time of me being in here, from him being in here. He needs to go.
Okay, give us a second. So,
Shut up! You a ass wanna be a gangbanger ass nigga. You don't know nothing about the streets. You know nothing about the streets.
Taisha,
You know nothing about the streets. You don't know nothing about the streets. You will want to be. Hey, that's cool. And now you're trying to be able to chop off. You're 18. You just turned 18.
Your housing.
You
You're
just
not
turned
doing yourself
18.
any favors. Let's
You
go
just
inside.
turned 18.
Hey!
You still a. Y'all yelling at you, at me, and doing nothing but pissing
Because
me
you're
off.
starting to
You're
fight.
screaming at him.
I'm conversating.
No, you are.
If I wanted to, I'd be trying to wedge through y'all motherfuckers. No, I'm not. I'm not
Hey.
stupid.
Just go inside for a minute.
No, if you slam my toe, so swear to help me God.
Then go inside, or you're gonna get.
You ain't beat. You beat what?
Why?
Rerun it.
Do you wanna get
Rerun it.
arrested for disorder?
Rerun it.
all he wants to
Rerun it. Rerun it.
You
Say
ain't-
sorry, ass.
ask him to.
And all your curves gonna be outside waiting on you.
Taisha.
See ya.
Thank you.
Playing with some disrespectful ass.
Shit out of there because I got.
First of all, stop yelling at me and speak to me like you what you know.
I'm not yelling at you. I'm not talking.
Who are you yelling at? 'Cause I know you.
You ain't got nothing to do.
Hey.
You ain't got nothing
Bro,
to do.
get him away from my door. I'm telling you right now.
He lives here. I'm not
Get
gonna
him away
This
from
my
my
uncle.
door.
No.
Get him away from my door.
Tell
Let
this
me close
bitch, let
my
me
door.
go get
No.
my shit.
Bro, I'm about to f you up, Johnny. I'm telling
Alright,
you
you're
right
about to
now.
get arrested here in a second.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Why me?
Because you're making threats against him.
Because he needs to get the f away from me.
He lives here.
I should never have to range under.
Stop.
I didn't touch, don't touch me. I didn't touch you, so don't touch me. But I'm saying, I could have reached under here and beat the f out of dude.
Hey.
After failed attempts to calm Tanisha, officers decide to arrest her for domestic violence charges and disorderly conduct. Tanisha immediately begins a violent resistance.
Let's go.
I made a threat. Okay, y'all ain't gonna scare me.
Oh my! I knew. See,
Y'all
I knew
knew
you. I
I
knew
made a
you
threat. I
could
can make a threat.
do it. Give me the house
How
keys.
not?
Cause I knew she
How
loved me.
not? How not? Here's my grandma. How not?
Taisha,
How not?
you made a threat to her.
I didn't even finish it.
Yes, you did.
What'd I
You
say?
said, "I'll slap that off your face." That's
I said
exactly what
lucky
you told that
you
woman.
I said
Even though she is a police officer, she's still a person.
Alright, come on.
Let's go inside.
Why do I got?
Oh,
Because
my.
he smacked me.
And see,
This is crazy,
and
man.
she had no shoes on.
This is crazy.
She'll be okay.
I'm about to live. Hold on, wait.
Okay, we're going to the cruiser.
Wait.
We're going
Trying
to the
to my
cruiser.
pants up. I didn't not throw. I said you lucky you didn't have that bag on. That's a whole different. So yo, what about the person who slapped me?
Come on.
You get in.
I will, but what about the person who's? I can't even move my legs that strong.
Do you need us to
I
assist
just
you?
came home. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This
now
was
get in.
really, this was
Okay,
really,
scoot
really
back,
tight.
scoot
This
back.
was no, the left one. The left one's really tight. You just a smidge, just
It's
a
not really tight.
It's hurting when I
Really
move.
tight. Alright, come on.
The suspect, Taisha, was arrested and charged with domestic violence, disorderly conduct, and menacing, and was transported to jail. Share your opinion in the comments and tell us how the officers handled this complex and escalating domestic dispute. If you found this case interesting, please support the channel, hit the like button, subscribe for more daily true crime content, and share this video with others interested in police body cam footage. Your support drives us to continue highlighting stories like this. Thank you for watching.